This two-bedroom corner unit here in Araneta City, Cubao could be your retirement home. For only 30,000 pesos per month, plus lump sum, you can already own this nicely layout two-bedroom unit. This is the Rent Part. Hi everyone, welcome back again to another video, and today I'm going to tour you inside the model unit we have here at Laurent Bart, our latest free-selling condominium here in Araneta City. So this video is just kind of different because I'll be starting with the balcony area. So I'm currently here outside the balcony part. So this is going to be the view during the nighttime for the Araneta City skyline. So ito yung magiging view ninyo once you get the specific unit. So this is a two-bedroom unit, 64.5 square meter. So ganito kalaki yung balcony area mo once you get this property. And so ito yung pinakang provision natin for, well, this one is already included during turnover, which is the aircon. And here will be your door from the balcony. Now let's go inside to check it. Ayan, so this is going to be your door going to the balcony area. So the best part about this one, this balcony is connected to your living area. So yun yung best part ng layout na to. So this will be your living area. Ayan, so you can incorporate this also during the renovation of your unit. Kapag nagpa-interior design kayo, pwede nyo siyang gayahin as an inspiration or pwede mo siyang i-improve. So that will be the layout itself. They just added this furnitures like the paintings. So upgrade na to guys for the color. So usually these are all solid na ano na siya, plain white. So mag-add na lang kayo ng design for the walls. And then here, also upgrade na to. So you can also use this as an inspiration. This will be the living area itself. Ayan. So, L-type couch dito. May lampshades and additional table and then chair. For the aircon, kasama na siya during turnover. And then this will be your entertainment area or for the television. So, the best part about this one, they really incorporate this. So, yan, nagkaroon ng table and shelves para additional storage kayo dito. Itong part na yan. And then here naman, this will be a window. Ito. So, there will be a window. So, you can also put here your curtain para matakpan lang yung init kapag manonood kayo ng television, especially in the morning area. So now let's go to the dining. So this will be a dining. So this is a total of 6 table sitter. So yan nakikita niyo here. So ganito siya kalaki. So malawak yung inyong living and in the dining area. So straight siya, parang almost size of a studio unit. So ito yung part na to. So you can also use this and also for the chandelier for your, yan, sa pinakang dining mo. And also discuss here, for the specific unit, we already smart home system, meaning all the appliances from this unit will be controllable through your smartphone. So for the lights, this is already smart switches. I think it's working. So this will be all soft touch. Ayan, so you can also control this through your smartphone. So kung gusto mo siyang patayin at nakalimutan mo, you can use your phone to turn it off or on. Now let's go to the kitchen area. So as you can see, once you enter sa pinakang door mo, nakatago na yung kitchen mo, hindi na siya naka-straight line here. So nakatago siya dito, which is a good thing since pa nagluluto ka, hindi mag-aamoy yung buong space mo here. So let's start muna dito sa part na to, which is just a provision tayo for fridge. So ganito siya kalaki. So this almost mga 6 feet na yung pinakamataas nito, yung kasya dito sa unit na to. And then as we move forward, this will be your kitchen sink and faucet during turnover. This is also a European brand by Frankie. So, retractable na din yung pinakang faucet natin. So, kagandahan dito sa 2-bedroom natin, mas malaki na yung kanyang sink. Yan, mas malawak siya. You also have here the overhead cabinets, under-counter cabinets, and also, hindi mawawala syempre yung ating countertop made out of solid granite. And for here, our 2-bedroom units comes with 4 burner cooktops, range hood, and also the built-in oven. So, kasama na siya during turnover of this unit layout if ito yung kukunin ninyo. And also backsplash are also included, and also itong mga saksakan ng mga appliances natin for this one. And what I really like about this layout is meron tayong sariling laundry area. So pwede siyang i-convert into pantry room. So for the laundry, ito siya nakalagay. So provision tayo for the washer and dryer. And may nakaabang din tayong water lines here. And then also for this part, itong mga shelves na to, this is just an upgrade. So you can also incorporate this during the renovation ulit ng inyong unit. And also this one for the additional accent, which is the painting. So konting pasok lang dito, you can also use this Pwede mo siya maging pantry or storage area, pwede. Kung kayo na bahala din kung paano siya maximize yung space niyo and with the help of your interior designer. And now let's go to the bedrooms. So here, pag galing mo from the dining, pag move mo lang dito, you will be having here your hallway going to the 2 rooms, junior bedroom, master bedroom, and then the common toilet and bath sa pinakang dulong part. And as you can see, malaki yung hallway mo dito. You can add here yung mga accent paintings or also your pictures. So kayo na din yung maglalagay dito kung ano yung mga possible din yung i-put up sa pinakang wall or sa inyong hallway. Now let's check first the common toilet and bath before we check the bedrooms. Okay. So just like Maggie World's projects or condominiums, very hotel-like din yung mga deliverables natin. So as you can see, all these walls na may mga tiles are already included during turnover. So paikot na yan siya ng buong CR. And also, vanity mirror are included. Also, our sink faucet for this toilet and bath are also included na din. So this is from Color. So yung brand nito. We also have here the water closet or the toilet bowl, included din siya. And also here, for our towel rod and then tissue holder is kasama na during turnover. And also, this glass partition is also included na din during turnover para hindi magbasa sa part na to. And then here, kasama na din yung pinakang rain shower head natin upon turnover of this specific unit layout. So, ayan. Para mas makita nyo ng buo, ganito siya. So, malaki na itong toilet and bath natin. Ayan. Now, let's go first with the junior bedroom. So, this is the junior bedroom. So, for the design dito, very, girly. So, for mga teens. So, if you have kids na babae, this one is also nice for a concept itself. So, may mga neon lights. So, check muna natin. Before we proceed sa loob, as we enter dito, they just incorporated sa mirror here, additional accent. And then, during turnover, we have this closet. So, this one is a 3-door modular closet. So, part siya ng deliverables sa pan-turnover. So, kasama na po siya once ma-hand over sa inyo itong property. And right here, this will be your television port na pwede mo siya i-incorporate then during the renovation of your unit. So, magkaroon lang dito ng shelves sa taas para ilagay mga books. And also, if gusto mong ilagay mo yung pinahang wifi ninyo or other router para malakas yung signal sa loob. Ayan. So, for this will be our window. Hindi ko nabubuksan. So, almost floor to ceiling din yung ceiling heights nito. So, malaki ito once we open this curtain. So, maganda din when that comes the morning, the natural lights are also coming in. Mas mapapalaki niya itong space na to. So, this will be the bed itself. Kaya na din bahala maglagay ng mga additional accents for this. So, this is just an upgrade para magkaroon kayo ng idea or inspiration kapag na-turn over na. So, for the aircon, kasama na po siya during turnover of the specific unit or project, which is the Laurent Park. And now, let's go to the last bedroom. So, eto siya. Ayan. So, this one is more on aesthetic and clean look for the design. So, for this is just an upgrade. Itong sliding door na to for our modular closet. But during turnover, kasama na po yung modular closet natin. And also, for television part, ayan, dito nila nilagay. And then, they just added a sofa here para pwedeng pag-upuan pag may bisita kayo if you wanted to talk here. And also, we also have window dito, almost floor to ceiling din yung laki nito. And this will be your bed. Ayan. For this one, upgrade na din tong sa wall natin for this one. So, pwede mo din siyang gayahin or pwede mo pang ma-improve. So, for all of our lights, for the rooms itself, it will be soft touch na. Ayan. Nakikita ninyo, namamatay yung mga ilaw. Now, buksan natin. There you go. So, ganun siya. So, pwede mo din siya i-control with the use of smartphone. So, if you want to know more about the available units we have here at Laurent Park, please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a showroom visit. I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Maggie World Corporation. See you again in my next video.